Understanding Security Check, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore the phrase, security check. This is a common term you might encounter at airports, events, or even in online contexts. Understanding this phrase can be really helpful in your daily interactions, especially if you're traveling or attending large events. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. The term, security check, refers to a process where officials inspect individuals or their belongings to ensure safety and security. This is commonly seen in airports, where you go through a security check before boarding your flight. It involves scanning your luggage, passing through metal detectors, and sometimes, a physical pat-down. Security checks are not just limited to airports. You might encounter them in various places like public transportation hubs, such as train or bus stations, sporting events or concerts, where large crowds gather, government buildings, for safety reasons, online platforms, as a metaphor for verifying your identity or account safety. During a security check, you're usually required to 1. Present identification, like a passport or ID card. 2. Remove certain items, such as belts, shoes, or electronics from your bags. 3. Follow instructions, given by security personnel. To make your security check experience smoother, remember to pack smart. Avoid prohibited items in your luggage. Dress appropriately. Wear easily removable shoes and minimal metal accessories. Be patient. Security checks are for everyone's safety. I hope this video clarifies what a security check is and prepares you for your next encounter with one. Remember, it's all about ensuring safety and security. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.